we'll keep that part. Alright, we're getting there. Yeah, still got a lot of junk on the back to get rid of yet. There's a lot of nastiness back here that we didn't take care of yet. Can anybody see what it is? It resembles shocks. Man, they're ugly. Yep, that one. It'll look a lot better here in a minute. There you go. What an improvement. That was the whole problem. Butt ugly shocks. Along with everything else that's back there. These are going bye-bye too. These I gotta pull a little more work to get them off. Yeah, those don't easily just fall right off. Ooh, they move. That makes it easy. These we aren't reusing. These probably not reuse either, but I'm leaving them for mock-up or not. Yeah, it's just crumb crap on here. What the hell? Yeah, junk chrome crap. Yeah, I don't like what's that either. Looks half better. Alright, we need to go to the other side. Pull the other half off. Ew, what the hell was that on there? Something welded on. It'll come off. Good. Well, they got more of them right here. They'll come right off too. Whoa, got a big oil leak. And motor's leaking oil again. How can that be? The bike got angled differently, so now it leaks oil. There you go. It's making a mess. It's marking a spot again. Alright. Gotta lose this thing off of here. Cotter key. Oh, hold this brake on. Isn't that stupid? Stupid design. This whole thing is stupid. The mask one we're keeping though. It's the only good part about the whole system. Alright. Oh, it looks better again. We're not using those again, in case you wondered. But I'm going to keep the swing arm. At least I'm going to try to. Might not like it, but I'm going to keep it that way. Oh, this one doesn't fall out like the last one. This one got to beat out with a big ass hammer. So that means you put the nut on the end of it, protect the threads a little bit, and you beat on it with a hammer. Then you take the nut off again. See, the threads don't want to work now, so I'm beat on the threads with a hammer. Might have to file the last couple threads and put a chamfer on there. Get rid of those bad threads that somebody left on there. And the Harley. Hopefully I'm not screwing that up too bad. Definitely tight. Threads look alright. Damn, it's even tight in that hole. It's tight on everything. Jeez. Oh, those bearings feel great. Yeah, sure they do. Yeah, more grease. Yuck. Just got done cleaning this bike off. I missed a couple spots, it looks like. Everywhere the swing arm was at just got missed. That part stays. There's two spacers in here that need to be kept also. Yeah, they're covered in grease though. Kind of rusty, dirty grease, but oh well. Yeah. Those we're going to reuse. Frame needs to be helicoiled, I think. These least it should be. Might not get it though. Alright. That swing arm we're not using either. Wouldn't like it though. Okay. Yeah, I don't like that swing arm. It sucks. Look at the color of it. It's horrible. Hideous. Ah! Right in the shin. Did anybody want a nice brake caliper? It looks nice. Make a deal on that thing. And we got a swing arm to go with it. Look at all this crap we got. And we got a pretty good sized pile over here, you know. It's like almost a whole bike. Oh, there's some more narrow glide front ends to use. These forks look a lot better than the one I got over there. Yeah, junk. Okay, what I want is over here. Swing arms. We got two options. We got drum brake or disc brake. Let's see, we got a top fuel motor to step on and a lift. It's a good combo of parts here. Get that out of the way. We got a few frames laying around here. Watch your head. All right, I've only got a couple swing arms left. Now, if I put a Sportster swing arm there, they'd probably get all pissed off, wouldn't they? Even though they look pretty good on there. All right, we got a chrome-plated drum brake piece of crap. A Sportster disc brake. I don't want that either. Okay, these are all Sportster swing arms. Where's all my big twin swing arms? These are all Sportster parts. Where do those Sportsters come from? Things are cloning back here. All right, I got one disc brake chrome one I could use, which I didn't particularly want to put drum brakes in the back. That automatically lowers the bike about 1.5 inches. The slot is, instead of swing arm being here, it's up here for the axle. This sure is ugly. That's a prime candidate to be used because it's ugly. But it's not as ugly as I took off. Alright, we'll put that over there. I wasn't going to do a drum brake, but maybe we will. Okay. Thought I had some crappy ass swing arm somewhere for big twins. Okay, what's underneath this pile here? I can't see. Yeah, too much weight. Yeah, that's a Sportster. These are all Sportster. Cloning, disc brake Sportster, almost out. Let's see. There's some good gas tanks. Is it a 57? No, this is a modern piece of crap tank. It only looked like it was important. Yeah, more 5 gallons. Yuck, I hate 5-gallon tanks. Okay, Sportster again. Damn, Sportster. What's all these stupid Sportsters? Alright. I don't know what that is. A lot of Sportsters in here. I used to have a bunch of big twin ones. I suppose I got rid of all of them. Damn. Oh, somebody wanted to beat a windshield. Dan did. Dan's gonna start drooling when he sees it in the video. Alright. So, no slip down by things. I'm gonna stand over here. Right there. There's a fun spot. Let's see, is there anything that's not Sportster over here? Nope, they're all Sportster. Well, hell, somebody sold all of their big twin swing arms. You mean I gotta use either that chrome-plated drum brake one or that chrome-plated disc brake one? That is a horrible decision to make there. That is a disgusting decision to make. I don't like those decisions like that. You know, the other thing I can do, I need a swing arm with a mount on it for a shock. disc brake swing arms have mounts on the back. Yeah, they're too valuable to cut up. I'll make my own. Let's see, find something to grab a hold of that doesn't hurt me. Oh, don't grab on that. It didn't work. Oh, I can't believe I got rid of all my stupid swing arms. Terrible. That's a terrible thing to find out. Now I need one. Probably sold them for 20, 30 bucks a piece because they were junk. But I need a junk one. Oh well, only got this one. That's all we got. Oh, test some old bones out. Oh, I need a wheel. I need a wheel too. I'm gonna grab a wheel. We need an 18-inch rear wheel. Oh, look what I found. 18-inch rear wheel with a tire. Perfect. Yeah, it looks like crap though. Let's see how it looks like. This one's got dirt on it. That's fine. I need something with no guts in it. Oh, man, that's got guts in it too. How come all these wheels got guts in them? What the hell's up with that? Bingo. Yep, no guts. Perfect. Lock up wheel. So I need it. That's a good one too. Brand new Goodyear tire on it. Got a good skid. Yeah, go that way. Oh, look at that. Boom. Oh, geez, I hope I didn't scratch or lift. Stupid ass rims. Okay. So I'll put that one. Or the one I got rid of. I gotta bring back now. Damn. Terrible. A pile of chrome. This thing. Damn, I was trying to get rid of this. It's got the ugly ass foot peg mounts on it. It's got all this crap I don't like on it. Damn, it's ugly. And it's chrome. See, these are foot peg mounts down here. Don't need those. Alright, so there's our options. We can run drum brake swing arm, or we can run a disc brake swing arm. I think I'm changing my plans. I'm kind of liking drum brake swing arm because I hate that other one. That sucks. I have to take the bearings out of there to put in that one though. Just mock it up. Yeah. We're not using these. Oh. We are going to use this wheel though. Or not a wheel like that wheel particular, but a wheel like that. What do you think? 16 inch? 18 inch? 500? 400? I'll put a 350 on this one, which is the same width as this one. Or I can put a nice skinny one like that on there. I got skinny tires too. What do you guys think? And then we got two different swing arms to use. The nice looking one or the ugly looking one. Or I can cut all that crap off of it and paint it black and it'll look a lot better. And lower it. That's what I want to do. And lengthen it. That was my plan, but we'll see. Plans change as you don't have parts. That's how that works. Alright, decisions. Alright, be back in a minute.